Hello everybody, welcome to Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Veerlyn. Today we're going to be doing a general reading for my Sagittarius for November 2018. Now when I say general reading, guys, it's going to cover your love, soul story, career, what's going on for November. Okay, so I just want to say for some of you guys who are interested in your yearly readings, I will be recording them this week. If you go ahead and want to subscribe to keep updated with what I am posting. Alright guys, so I always like to go over with what's going on with the planets and the signs. It plays out through the cards as well as it gives you a heads up with what's going on for the energies. You know, November is a lucky month for you guys, not just because it's your birthday for some of you, but listen up to what's going on. On the 7th, we have a new moon in Scorpio. You're going to see yourself researching a little bit more, maybe interested in paranormal activity. Your intuitive sign is just going to blossom. All right, on the 8th, this is where things will get interesting for you guys. Jupiter, your ruling planet, guys, is entering your sign, okay? It's been a while since it's been in your sign, and it will remain there, okay? On the 8th, it will remain there until December 3rd, 2019. Okay guys, so you're going to see a lot of shift in energy. It's going to be great for you guys, so really take advantage of this time. You're going to see a lot of things just kind of, I don't want to say go your way, but in a way, yes, during this time your ruling planet is in your sign. You guys are very powerful at this moment. Okay, and that lasts until December 3rd, 2019. On the 15th, we have Mars is entering Pisces. Mars, a very masculine planet, entering Pisces, a feminine healer. So with these mixed emotions here that's going on, your sex life is going to be tied more with your emotions. You might see that your partner or yourself might want to put a label on the relationship or just might want to see where it's going. Try to avoid conflicts during this time, okay? Your masculine energy will be a more healing energy during this time, so take advantage of that. On the 16th, this is also where it gets interesting. We have a retrograde with Mercury in your sign. Yes, so during this time, I always say the retrogrades, they're meant to just really hold us back, relax, get back on your meditation, start eating well, rest up, you know, realizing what it is that you just have to let go in your life, what no longer serves you. Everybody's always scared of these retrogrades, but you know what, guys? This is our break time, your rest time to really, you know, rest and reflect and reconsider, revise, okay? So don't be afraid of that. So same day, on the 16th, Venus is turning direct in Libra. So your relationships, your business relationships will become more comfortable. So you're kind of give and take with a retrograde and a planet turning direct, okay? On the 3rd, we have a full moon in Gemini, okay? For some of you guys, this might bring a completion to your community projects. Maybe some of you guys are working on a communication project at work, or you might just see some more social activity. This is where you're going to see those invites, the holidays, okay? Gemini is a very, you know, it's the horoscope that really gets up on the soapbox. It's the blogger, okay? So you're going to see a lot of communication during this time. Take advantage of it, all right? All right, I got my coffee here. Let's get started with the reading, shall we? All right. And like I said, guys, I might not have mentioned it yet. This is actually not my normal setup. I usually have, I usually work in my studio. I have really great lighting, so please forgive me. I'm kind of just working with what I got for this month. I wanted to make sure I got this video posted before you know, November coming up, so I apologize for my lighting. You guys can see my other videos. I usually do a really good job with the audio and the lighting because I know it's very important for some of you guys. All right. So let's start, shall we? I said this was a card reading. You know, I really do like to go over with the energies of the planets, the full moons, because it does play out in the cards, as well as it just gives you a heads up with what's going on. I mean, Jupiter entering your sign is a big deal, my Sagittarius, okay? All right, my Sagittarius, my fire sign. You guys are of the 9th house. Ruler Jupiter. All right. Oh. All right, what a great card to start off with. We have the Ten of Cups here, guys. The Ten of Cups resembles you feeling more comfortable regarding your finances, your emotions, your security, okay? The cups do represent more of a emotional side. So for me, this might be, I could see a relationship becoming more comfortable. Okay, so this also could be that energy with Mars and Pisces, because that is definitely for some of you guys who are dating or perhaps just seeing a couple people. You know, the sex life is going to be tied with the emotions, so, you know, you might actually find yourself being in a steady relationship by the end of the month. Or this could be for some of you guys who are married. This could be a more comfortable time, an open time of your life to just reconnect with your loved one. But yes, you are comfortable. You are sitting comfortable and happy here, as you can see by the body posture. And like I said, guys, I'm very sorry about the lighting. I usually have great lighting. I know you guys like to see what is going on, but you can see he is just sitting comfortable. He's got all of his cups behind him, all of his ducks in a row. You know, nothing's stressing him out. He's got a smile on his face, and that is what is your energy going to be to start off with November or shortly after, okay? The new moon in Scorpio could lead you to new information that really inspires you. All right. I'm also going to pull one from the angels and one from the fairies too as well. But right now, my plans are to pull two more from the Rider-Waite deck here. We have the King of Swords. All right. For some of you guys, I really see this. You are coming into your own. You're finding out what it is that you want in life. You're being firm about it, but also you are not really doing it violently, as you could tell by the posture of the king. He's sitting there sword up, but it is not really a hostile body posture, okay? So what you are doing here is you're being firm about your inspirations in life, your direction regarding your career, okay? For some of you guys, this might be you know, you might have somebody who is entering the military, or maybe you have thoughts of doing so yourself, okay? This also could be, you know, authority figures in your life, okay? All right. Stay strong, my Sagittarius. Whatever it is that you are passionate about in life, if you're starting a business, maybe it's just your religious beliefs. Just be firm. Let people know that you are firm with how you think of things, okay? Oh my goodness. I am telling you, November, guys, I'm sorry. I had a card jump out. I can't get it. All right. You have the Ten of Cups, guys. This is one of the greatest cards to really end your reading with. I really apologize for the lighting, guys. I am usually on point about it. But as you can see here, there's a happy family underneath a rainbow. It is full of cups. They have a lovely house in the background. This card is so blissful. And I'm telling you what, I feel it for you guys. Okay, this could be resembling your birthday celebration. Okay, this could be you buying that new home and really being comfortable. This could be you guys who, you know, new parents. You could find out that you're going to be a parent during this time, reconnecting with old family. This is one of the greatest cards to have in your reading, Sagittarius. So November is your month. Embrace it. Jupiter being in your sign is really going to change the way that you think of things, and as well as how things are brought to you in life. Oh my gosh, I love it. That's a great reading. All you have to do, Sagittarius, is just remember the energy of the King of Swords, okay? You are there. Once you build up what it is that you manifest in life, do not let anybody tear you down, okay? They might be jealous. Whatever it is, you know? You're finding your way. You know, you might not even be there yet, but the fact that you're taking the right steps in the direction, people might want to knock you down. Don't let them do that. All right, I said one from the angels here, and we're going to do it. All right, is there any advice, guidance that my Sagittarius needs for November 2018? Some advice or some guidance, a direction. What is it that my Sagittarius needs to know for November 2018? My fire sign, their ruler planet, Jupiter. of the 9th house. Truth seekers of the zodiac sign. What do they need to know? For November 2018. Now, you know, I just had a flash. I don't know if it's because I'm drinking coffee myself, but I feel like some of you guys, you know, life is tiring. You wake up early in the morning, you got a lot of stuff to do, and, you know, you need motivation. And I'll tell you what, some of you guys who drink coffee too much or energy drinks, whatever it might be, that really does cloud your mind. Okay, so make sure that you perhaps pull that back. You know, it's tough the first couple days getting off that caffeine. It is a drug, guys, but it does clear your mind, okay? And you feel better when you don't need it in the morning. Like right now, I made myself a cup. I only took 3 sips of it. You know, we'll see if I actually finish it, but I usually don't, okay? Because I do feel you have a different feeling after you drink your coffee and do all that caffeine, okay? It does alter the way that you think. All right. 5 of Fire. Competing goals. Bothersome details. Conflict with others. Now, I do feel that there is somebody in your life, Sagittarius, that just does not want to see you succeed. This could be an ex. This could be perhaps you know, how you have somebody in your family. It could be your parents. It could be your cousins, your siblings. Somebody is really grinding your gears, and we need to just let that person go, slide them out of our lives, okay? They no longer serve us, or at least at this time, so let them go, okay? This could be a toxic ex too. I apologize on how you cannot see that. You can see it better here in the corner. We did light it on fire with the candles. I'm sorry, guys. Like I said, this is not my normal setup at all. I usually have the lights shining so beautifully so you can see every detail in the cards, because my decks, they have just the greatest illustrations, and they're very inspiring too as well. So that is the 5 of Fire. All right, so 1 from the fairies. 1 from the fairies for my Sagittarius for November 2018. If you guys would like to book a private reading, all you have to do is look below on how to do that. All right. I also have Facebook. I'm not too tech savvy, so you can follow that Facebook if you want. I usually post some inspiring things on there. All right. Okay. So we have 2 that jump out. We have easy does it. Stop trying so hard to control everything. All the doors will open for you. And this is true. If you stress out too much, you kind of, that stress is manifesting, okay? Fear is manifesting. You want to knock that off. You want to just think about the positives and not let the negative emotions override you, okay? Very important there. All right, and this has been coming up a lot for my horoscopes during this month. Vegetarian, a new way of eating gives you more energy, greater health, clarity, and a stronger manifestation abilities. I mean, guys, like I was just saying, that coffee, you know, it does, you don't have to be a vegetarian. This card does not mean you have to change your life completely. What it means is, okay, come on, guys. Are you drinking the soda? Are you eating the Doritos? When was the last time you actually ate a salad? Do you eat vegetables every day? Do the food that you eat have a strong life force, as well as the water, guys? Your water quality is very important. All right. Well, that pretty much sums it up for November 2018, guys. Like I said, just make sure that you remember the energy of the King of Swords, because you cannot let anybody damper your spirit. You guys, with the retrograde, okay, so your ruling planet is entering your sign on the 8th, and then shortly after, 8 days later, you have a retrograde in Mercury. So for me, that's kind of not just, it's kind of just during that time, you have your ruling planet in your sign, so you have that energy, and then going straight into a retrograde with that energy is stop, think, okay? Make sure that what you're doing is really where you need to be in life, okay, guys? All right, I will do a little close-up on the cards here for you guys, just so you can see it at the end of the video. But yeah, that pretty much sums it up. I am very interested to see where your energies go. If you guys would like to comment below, I love hearing from you guys. You know, give me a thumbs up. Like I said, this is not my best quality video. I apologize about the lighting. But like I said, I am not on my normal location, okay? But I wanted to get this video out to you guys. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. This is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Vera Lynn. You guys have a beautiful November. And for some of you guys who have a birthday in November, you guys enjoy it, okay? Happy birthday.